So this is the spectrometer which we'll be using for this particular experiment. This is called as the telescope. This portion is called as the collimator, and this is called as the prism table or grating table, as the case may be. There is a knob on the telescope which can be used to focus the telescope. Same way, you have a knob on the collimator which also can be adjusted so that collimator will be able to send parallel rays to the grating, which shall be kept on the grating stand, which is here. On the collimator, you will also see that there is a slit here in the front side. The slit width can be adjusted by turning this particular knob. So these are the knobs which you should be very familiar with. One is the telescope knob, the collimator knob, and the slit width adjustment knob. This telescope has got an eyepiece. That eyepiece is here. This eyepiece can be pulled out or pushed in so that you will be able to see the crosswire properly. In addition to this, there is a knob here. If you tighten this knob, the telescope will be fixed, rigidly fixed. Then to do the fine adjustments of the telescope, there is a knob here, which you can see here, which can be turned so that the telescope will move in extremely small increments. Same way, on the side of the table, there is a knob here. If you fix this knob, this black thing, which is basically the prism table, that is difficult to be moved. Okay, you will not be able to move it easily. If you want to do fine adjustments of the prism table, you can do that by turning this particular knob. Okay. Now, so these are the main components of a spectrometer.